ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my review of Android KitKat running on the Galaxy Tab 3 7.0 Wi-Fi only model. Alright, so I want to show you the few differences that come with the Galaxy Tab 3 version of the tablet, or the software I mean. So as you can see down here, there comes an added feature called users. So what you'll be able to do is be able to add users onto your tablet, so you can actually create different user profiles. So as you can see here, I have my profile over here. Right there. I have my mom's profile there, and then I have a guest account. Right there. So that's another cool little added little feature there. And then you also have the ability to resize the clock here. So as you can see here, this is what you get here, and then this is how it looks. So I wish I could pause this and then come back, but I can't, so I wanna try to do this on screen. So got the password wrong. Okay, so let's go ahead and scroll down on the notifications right. So there are some differences here with the new software. So as you can see, we have multi-window with on here now, so you can actually use multiple windows on here now, thanks to the update. And the actual firmware version is 4.4.2. Okay, my phone will go off right about now. Then another feature, which I think is in here too, is another added feature called hands-free mode. So if you actually scroll down to it, this is the stuff that you get. So it's almost kind of like the feature that they had on here already with blocking mode. But actually, I'm just gonna go to blocking mode anyway to see if there is a difference. So with blocking mode, it turns off all your notifications, your alarm. It actually gives you a time and date period. And then here's a little bit of a description. When this mode is turned on, notifications for the selected features will be turned off. And then if you go back to hands-free mode, so this is not actually blocking notifications. It's actually giving you hands-free mode. So this could come in handy if you are on a trip or something. You need to use GPS or something on your way there. So that's a pretty cool feature. Then while we're in here, now let's go to users. And you see here, if you already have a Galaxy Tab 3, you can tell that the settings has had a little bit of a facelift too as well. So let's go ahead and go to users. Not default applications, but users. I'm about to do this off screen. Sorry about my And as you can see here, just like you saw on the actual lock screen, here are the accounts here. You can choose to delete them, and I got a new one set up, so if I go into it, I can actually set up and choose who's you know, and they can have their own little world on this tablet right here. They can have their own pictures, their own security settings, their own passwords, their own photos, their own everything. So that's pretty cool. Keeps them from out of my stuff. Okay, go to battery. You see that has had a little bit of a facelift as well. So let's go ahead and back out of that. And okay. So if I press and hold the back button, you get multi-window. Okay. I must not be on the button. For some reason it's not popping up. There you go. Multi-window, so you can actually take two applications and run them in the background, or not run them in the background, but run them on screen. So if I wanted to do YouTube, which is the poster child for Samsung's multi-window, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use it myself. Go ahead and put it there in the main screen. Or if you don't want to press and hold the back button, you can always swipe from the edge. If I want to send a couple of emails, or you know, look at some photos or something while I'm watching some YouTube videos, I can press and hold on that and bring that. I can press and hold that. For some reason it's not doing it. Thank you. Bring it down, and as you can see, you can see what it's doing already. It's already make me have to put in my code. So this is how it looks. Go ahead and make sure it ain't nothing. Okay, make sure nothing private was gonna show up. And as you can see, I can kind of work YouTube while I'm actually looking at pictures. So that's a pretty cool deal there. I can resize each window, so if I drag on that little dot that you just saw and let go, it'll resize that image. If I bring it back down, I can do just that, and then tap on the video. I can also tap on it and get some options here, so they don't stay up for long. So you have to kind of choose quickly. Just click on the video.
You get Destiny for PS4? Got it at Walmart. Did you also pick up some better gaming skills? I didn't need those. Aisle 12, gaming skills.
Alright, so go ahead and click on it. There's some options there. You do not get recent apps in multi-window like we can on the fancier Samsung tablets. So that's a bummer. So you would actually have to work that around some type of way. This not only works in portrait, but it also works in landscape, as you can see here. So if you want to type out an email while watching a YouTube video, this mode right here would be a perfect way to do it. So let's go ahead and tap on this button here. And go ahead, click on it off screen and then close. Whoops. It would send me to my Photos app, and go ahead and close out of that. Okay, so there's been an update to Google Now. So if you so now you can actually say it from any screen. So if I'm in the app tray, you know, figure I could come up with something. So I can say Google Now, or okay Google, what's the weather like today for Marianna, Florida?
Today's forecast for Marianna is 86 degrees with a chance of storm.
Alright, so this is how it works. So you ain't got to go in manually and do it now. You can actually do it from any screen that you choose. So if I go back and then, okay Google, how tall is the Empire State Building?
The Empire State Building is 1,250 feet tall.
Okay, so I'm just trying to just kind of really demonstrate that to you. So if I'm in the Direct TV app, for instance, and I need to say, okay Google, how tall is the got my words choked up, but you see it did work. So that's a really neat feature that you can have. Now there is no recent apps software button, so that's unfortunate, but so you know, there are plenty of other features in here. And actually, let me go back to settings and show y'all the Android version of this software, so y'all know for sure that I'm not just telling you this, that you actually see it for yourself, that this is running 4.4.2 KitKat on here. So go to About Device, and there you have it, Android version 4.4.2 KitKat. So no Kit Kats flowing around here like it was in Jelly Bean. You saw the little Jelly Beans, but there's no Kit Kat. So back out of that. Get rid of that. Okay, so its voice has seen a facelift too. So let's go ahead and initiate that. I mean, it hasn't received like a huge facelift, but you see that it does look a little bit, you know, more or less different. What's the weather like today for Marianna, Florida?
Looks like it's cloudy with a temperature of 82 degrees today.
So it read me as Marietta, not Marianna. Hey Galaxy. Hi Galaxy. What's the weather like today for Marianna, Florida?
It's 82 degrees with clouds throughout the day today.
So its voice is really not being cooperative right now. Hi Galaxy. What's the weather like today for Marianna, Florida?
It's 82 degrees and partly sunny today.
So it took 3 tries for it to even recognize what I was trying to say. But you saw how Google Earth or Google Now just kind of hit it home. Just recognized me. So pretty cool stuff here. I mean, you're getting really good, you know, stuff here with KitKat. I don't really want to spend all day on it, really. Just want to kind of show y'all the perks of having the software on your tablet, on your Galaxy Tab 3 7.0. You do get another feature here called Group Play. So I can pretty much assume that that's for Samsung devices only. So if you have more than one Samsung device, so if you have the new Alpha or the S5 or the Note 4 or something like that, and then you have a Samsung tablet like the Tab S line or the Tab 3, Tab 4 line, then that'll probably fit you a little bit more better. And that's really about it, y'all. I mean, there's no real other major features along with the Galaxy Tab 3's version of KitKat, like you might get with a other Samsung tablet. So I just kind of wanted to show y'all the software version, and I might come back and do a more in-depth video on it. I'm recording with my mom's tablet, Netbook 8 tablet, so the camera quality is not exactly the best, but hey, hope y'all enjoyed, and see y'all next time.